Many people come to our clinic looking for other treatment options for arthritis other than cortisone injections or knee replacements. And A2M, which stands for alpha-2 macroglobulin, is a great injection option for more moderate or moderate to severe arthritis. It's something that occurs naturally in our bodies, but is unable to get into the joints. So we do a blood draw and process the A2M, and then we inject it back into the injured area or the arthritic area. And what it does is it helps to eliminate the enzymes or proteases that are in a joint that are causing cartilage breakdown. So I like to think of it as a bug killer in a garden. So if you have a garden that has bugs that are eating away at your plants, that's similar to the proteases that are in a joint eating away at the cartilage. And so the A2M will actually engulf those proteases and get them out of that joint, just like a bug killer would get the bugs out of your garden. And so it's a great injection option. It helps with pain and it helps to get those proteases out of the joints. We oftentimes will pair this injection with PRP or platelet-rich plasma in addition about 6 weeks after the A2M injection. And that's more like a fertilizer then at that point. But it does help with pain and inflammation as well.